upon a time, in Imphale's moonlit breath, Thoibi was a girl of silk and beauty. Nong Kham the shy boy, destinies entwined. She was the first to teach him how love can burn. My dawn of silk and fire, your gaze a lotus blooming in quantum desire. Locktex waters whisper our hidden skies, ancient auroras danced inside your eyes. Nong Kham, the silence became my breath. Through your stillness, I transcended death. Among billions, you engraved my name. Beyond kingdoms, beyond power, beyond fame. Temples of memory, your soul aligns. I, like thunder and prayer combined, your love rewrote the fate of time. Thoibi, oh my Thoibi, beauty of my mind, where my soul has grown. The lake, remember the vows we made. Your touch, an empire that will never fade. Oh, your name is thunder in my veins. Is fire in the rain. Thoibi, oh my Thoibi, the stars bow low for you. Imphale remembers the sky shine through. My Thoibi, my flame, my destiny's song. With you beside me, eternity's not long. Thoibi, oh my Thoibi, on Locktex mirror, our spirits remain. But why did you leave me, Thoibi? Is your feeling expired? Did memory collapse? Or were all my dates erased? I drown inside my mind. chasing you.